Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nuliana Shafika binti Abdul Syukur and my metric number DE100047. Okay, I would like to explain to you about this our research, which is operating system support for mobile computing. Okay, for introduction, which is widely used among of electronic device, which is mobile computing. It's like laptop, uh, phone, telephone, Wi-Fi, which is that use operating system. Can operate such as call, message, camera, and other than that. Okay, for next slide is what is an operating system. Operating system is software that operates on devices. User interface controlled by operating system include tracking location. Example like Microsoft, Apple, and Linux. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello doctor, I'm Dinesh Ravindan here and today I'm gonna explain about the history of mobile computing which is based for the operating system in the mobile phones right now. First of all, companies attempts to construct and commercialize PDAs in mid of 1990s. PDA stands for Personal Data Assistance, which is a base model for the cell phones right now. The Palm 1000 and Palm 5000 were earlier models with a limited capabilities. They had less than 1 megabytes of RAM, a green screen, and extremely basic applications uh, notebook, expense tracker, and more. Then the cell phones traditionalized from pure phones to mobile computing devices in the earlier of 1990s. The ability to save and access context was the first clear addition. Manufacturers have provided a way to write app for small devices as well as an operating system to run on in order to accomplish this. Around the turn of the century, most cell phones today can do more than just make a phone calls, which is cell phones we are using right now, which is which can do more than just making a simple phone calls. That's all from me. Thank you, doctor.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Fikri Baharoni and I will present the type of mobile operating system. There are many types of mobile operating system which is Android operating system, Apple iPhone operating system, Microsoft Windows Phone developed by Microsoft, Symbian operating system developed by Symbian, Mada operating system which is made by Samsung Electronics, BlackBerry operating system made by Nokia, Harmony operating system, which is newly made by Huawei, Palm operating system, which or known as Garnet operating system, Web operating system, which is made by Palm and Hewlett Packard as the developer. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
As you can see, the top mobile operating systems such as Android OS, Apple iOS, and Microsoft Windows, which are currently in the top of the market. So, thanks to this operating system, that we are allowed to have a smartphone with applications and programs which we can run. So, we are grateful to this operating system that allows us to use them in our daily activities, which had made it much simpler in this era. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Muhammad Rizwan Aizat Baja Osman. My number metric is CE200226. Next, I will be presenting the challenges and issues for mobile operating system. As the mobile operating system evolves, there are various of issues and challenges that we are facing or we will be encountering later. In this part, we're going to discuss the following frequent and fundamental concerns and challenges for mobile operating system. First, usability and interoperability issues plague mobile OS design because the tiny physical size of mobile phone factor usability issue are challenging to solve. Platform fragmentation of mobile device, mobile operating system and mobile browser causes interoperability concern. Next, to manage hardware and software configuration. As we know, each operating system got its own hardware and software configuration. Next, it is challenging to offer content to diverse cell phone controlled by various service providers such as Samsung, Apple. Next, it will introduce us to the chance of setup mistake, defect in both operating system and programs that run on it, and then virus and also other malware. The capacity of apps to adapt to different mobile operating system. Designing an app for more than one mobile operating system necessitates many design, and each mockup must be intuitive for the unique category of consumer specific to the OS itself. Next, personalization is regarded as one of the most difficult tasks because it is essential enabler for the OS success. For example, there are different personalization between Samsung and iOS device. Next, system integrity, power management, and ongoing connectivity. After that, we need to design a user interface for various mobile apps. As for the code for each program for iOS, Android, and other mobile operating system are different to each other. Next, the approach for placing apps for navigation by various mobile operating system differs. To that, space and resource efficient component like pops up, alert, soft gradient, image, and more. And lastly, we need to test the application on many mobile operating system. So that's all for me. Thank you.